In the quest to determine the molarity of sodium hydroxide NaOH using oxalic acid through a laboratory experiment, precision and attention to detail are paramount. Begin by preparing a solution of oxalic acid, a well-known diprotic acid that will react with the sodium hydroxide in a neutralization reaction. Carefully measure out a specific volume of oxalic acid, ensuring that your pipette is clean and calibrated for accurate measurements. The solution's concentration should be known, often around 0.1 m for ease of calculation. Next, set up a titration apparatus, placing a clean conical flask beneath the burette filled with the NaOH solution. As you slowly add NaOH to the oxalic acid solution, watch for the color change indicating the end point. The gradual addition will allow you to observe the neutralization process closely, ideally using a suitable indicator such as phenolphthalein, which shifts color when the solution transitions from acidic to neutral. Once the endpoint is reached, record the volume of NaOH used from the burette. Utilize the titration formula to calculate the molarity of NaOH. By using stoichiometry based on the balanced chemical equation for the reaction between NaOH and oxalic acid, the concentration can be derived accurately. Finally, reflect on the significance of this experiment, as it not only provides valuable lab experience but also reinforces the principles of acid-base titration, further deepening your understanding of solution concentrations.